massive. So this car has this huge dent, and it's also hail damaged. Crazy. Look at that hail dent right there. That's probably gonna oil can. Crazy.
Record it?
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Ooh.
There you go. One more in the back there too.
Under a brace.
Brakes there?
Yeah.
Maybe cut it.
Cut it. Yeah, this is gonna kind of suck.
Dude, look how much smile that is. Damn.
I think some of that'll come when you cut.
Alright, let's cut it. Hang on, let me get you a cutter.
Saw this.
Just gonna use that to cut under there. Cut that brace. Yeah? Huh? Oh my gosh. It stayed down. So we were expecting this right here to come up slightly, but it didn't. Look at that. Dude, that is a lot of work. It's alright. Can't really tell, but the whole thing's hit with hail. So guys, what we have here is just a little bit of a progress video. So before, you guys saw how deep, and it was like a pool dent here, just in the front. Now, obviously, you can see all the eyebrows and stuff, but I did a little bit of pushing. I'm gonna go in there and knock down every single one of them waves. That's a hail dent. Don't even pay attention to that. I'm gonna remove that as well, but overall, you just gotta remember that big, huge pool of a dent that's coming up, and all these waves are just like created by misplaced metal, and once you knock that down, it kind of levels itself out. I don't know why it's not focused. There you go. Oh, and here's that one really, really deep dent right there. Let me zoom in for you. That thing was deep right there, and it's still kind of gnarly, but I think it's workable at this point. Knock down that high spot and start picking at it with a really sharp tip. Alrighty, here's the finished product. Big Dent and Hail. Yeah, this one took some time, but it wasn't as bad as we thought. And yeah, it was, but the majority of it came up with the initial slapping. But yeah, I believe the customer is going to be very happy, because I am.